Hey, this is David, and today I'm going to show you how to test the idler pulley on an electric dryer that's squealing. Before we get started, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see more repair guides to help you do it yourself. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, a number 20 Torx bit, a small flathead screwdriver, and a putty knife. Have your shop vac close by as well. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Always unplug that power cord before you do any work on your appliances. If your dryer is making a squealing noise while it's running, the most common cause is the idler pulley. To check the pulley, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 console screws from the back. Once the screws are removed, lift up on the control panel to uncover the 3/4-inch screws that need to be removed. Once the 3/4-inch screws are removed, slide the top panel forward and up to reveal the top of the drum. Next, you need to unplug your door switch. Using a putty knife, push in on the 2 clips and remove the access panel. Now, remove your dryer vent duct by removing the 3/4-inch screws surrounding the duct. Once the duct is off, remove the 2 springs located on the bottom corners of your dryer. Once the springs are removed, go ahead and remove the 2 1/4-inch screws that are holding the door panel. Now go to the top of the door panel and remove the 2 20-bit Torx screws. Now lift up on the front panel and it should come up. Reach under the drum and release the belt from the idler pulley. Then use the drum belt to lift the drum out of the cabinet. Find the roller and turn it by hand. Is it hard to turn, or does it look like the belt has worn a groove into the plastic? If so, it needs to be replaced. Once you're done, reinstall the drum and drum belt, reattach the belt to the pulley, then the front panel with the door switch. Then go to the bottom and connect your door springs. From there, you want to install the blower housing vent, the bottom access panel. Then you want to go back to the top to put the top panel back on and then secure the console. And don't forget to plug your dryer back in. If your idler pulley is defective, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can replace it yourself. We'd also love to hear from you. Feel free to share the highs and lows of your repair in the comments. If you found this video useful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.